Tired of switching between apps to control your music? Wish you had easy access to your favorite tunes on the Windows 11 sidebar? Introducing S-Media Controls widget for Windows 11. How to add the widget on Windows 11. How to customize the widget. Compatible with all major music streaming services like Apple Music, Spotify, and Windows Media Player, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your music experience on Windows 11 with the S-Media Controls widget today.